A. LED indicators. On the top of the controller, you can see 3 LED indicators for solar power indicator, charging indicator and battery power percentage indicator for 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. B. Reading solar input parameters on LCD display. Once charging begins, you can simply press the solar panel plus button in sequence to read the parameters of solar input voltage, solar charging current, solar power and the watt-hour. C. Read battery charging output parameters on LCD display. To read battery charging output parameter, press the battery button in sequence to read the output charging parameter of battery voltage, charging current, charged capacity amp-hour and battery temperature, if optional temperature sensor cable been connected. You can also read the battery temperature in degrees centigrade or Fahrenheit degrees by pressing settings button for converting. When the battery has been fully charged, the LCD will alternatively display voltage and full. How to set battery system voltage. Before using this solar charging controller to charge the battery, please make sure to select correct battery system voltage 12 volts or 24 volts, or you can select auto for 12 volts or 24 volts battery auto detecting. Press and hold the settings button for 3 seconds to go into the system battery voltage setting mode. Press PV plus or BAT button to select your desired system battery voltage 12 volts, 24 volts or auto. Press the settings button again to confirm the battery setting voltage. How to set battery type. This MPPT Solar Controller provides 8+1 battery types for selections: LCO, LTO, LFP, crystal lead crystal, gel, AGM, wet conventional lead acid and calcium contented batteries plus custom settings. Follow up the battery voltage settings, press the settings button to go into your battery type settings mode. The battery type you select will be flashed on the LCD meter. Press solar panel plus or BAT button to navigate your desired battery type. Press the settings button again, the selected battery type will be solid on and confirmed. The default setting is AGM battery. The controller, it will automatically memorize your battery type settings. LCO battery type setting is only recommended working with 11.1 volts lithium cobalt oxide Li-2 battery in 12 volts system. This solar controller provides a custom mode to meet your special battery charging demand. The users can preset the absorption voltage level and duration, equalization voltage level, duration and periodical cycle, float voltage level and restart charging voltage level for your targeted battery charging parameters. Choose the custom battery mode in battery type settings. Alternatively, display absorption voltage character ABSU and voltage data. Press solar panel plus or BAT button to set absorption voltage settings ranging from 13.2 volts to 15.5 volts. Press the settings button again to confirm the absorption voltage level you preset. Then move to next absorption duration settings. In absorption time settings, the LCD will alternatively display absorption time characters ABST and duration data. Press solar panel plus or battery button to set the absorption time from 5 to 500 minutes. Then press the settings button again to confirm the settings and move to the next equalization setting voltage. In equalization voltage settings, the LCD will alternatively display equalization voltage characters EQL, U and voltage data. Press solar panel plus or battery button to set the equalization voltage from 13.2 volts to 16.2 volts. Then press the settings button again to confirm the settings and move to next equalization duration settings. In equalization duration settings, the LCD will alternatively display equalization time character EQLT and duration data. Press Solar Panel Plus or Battery button to set the equalization duration from 5 to 500 minutes. Then press the Settings button again to confirm the settings and move to Next Equalization Periodical Settings. In Equalization Periodical Settings, the LCD will alternatively display Equalization Periodical Cycle Characters EQLP and Cycle Day. Press Solar Panel Plus or Battery button to set the equalization periodical from 0 to 100 days. 0 indicates no equalization settings, then press the Settings button again to confirm the settings and move to Next Floating Voltage Settings. In Floating Voltage Settings, the LCD will alternatively display floating voltage characters FLTU and voltage data. Press Solar Panel Plus or Battery button to set the floating voltage from 13 volts to 14 volts. Then press the Settings again button to confirm the settings and move to Next Restart Battery Voltage Settings. The Restart Battery Voltage setting is to set a battery voltage to restart charging again after floating charging. In Restart Battery Voltage Settings, the LCD will alternatively display Restart Voltage Character RSTU and voltage data. Press Solar Panel Plus or Battery button to set the restart voltage from 12.5 volts to 13.5 volts. Then press the Settings button again to confirm the settings. After that, all settings will be automatically stored in Custom Setting. When you need to change these settings, just repeat above process again to change the setting you want. If this is your first time using the controller, we'd like to suggest you download the app first. You can scan this QR code or search Smart Life to download this app easy. In first time using the controller and app, you need to pairing the device first. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are enabled on your phone and that your solar controller is turned on. From the app home page, click the blue plus icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Add Device. Select the device to add once it shows up on your screen. After you paired the controller with app, you will get into the main screen page. There you can see 3 tabs for real-time, history and setting. In real-time tab, you can see the real-time battery percentage, charging stage, solar input data and battery data. In the charging stage bar, CC means bulk charging, CV means absorption charging. In history tab, you can see the generated power in total and charged amp hours in total information, and below with graphs showing history for the past 7 days, 30 days, and 12 months. You can tap either generated power in total or charged amp hours in total, changes the metric being displayed on the graphs. In Setting tab, you can adjust the battery charging settings and battery type, as well as perform a factory reset. You can easily set the battery type, system voltage, max, charging current to battery, absorption charging voltage for your battery. When battery type been set to be wet, calcium and custom, you will also able to set the equalization voltage here. To reset your solar controller to default settings and clear your charging history in the app, just tapping the factory data reset icon at the bottom of this page. In the app on your mobile phone, you can also track any important errors or alarm information in the app's message center. Just easy tapping me in the app and get into the message center for the errors or alarm information.